way, it went from good to bad to worse. This was the first time I ever put that hybrid bike in low gear, very low gear.
Yeah.
And I always wondered, I thought, you know, I don't need all these gears. But then after that happened, I was so glad I had that low gear.
So you got a little more than you bargained for.
I did. We just got finished riding downtown with Gray and Mark and I. And I'm still raring to go to ride a little bit more. So I'm going to check out a new place that I haven't done before that I happen to find. It's called Turkey Spring Trail. So I'm on my way there to check it out. It should be about a 5-mile ride. It says it's fairly easy, so it should be okay for the guys. And we'll check her out. Looks like we've hit the end of the road, so this must be where we park. It is. I see cyclists. Let's see what she's like. Stock Drive ATV Trail 323 is where I'm starting. Here's the beginning. It's pretty, and it doesn't look too bad, does it? Here we go. See what this is like. I guess I need to watch for bears, huh? There's a beautiful deer right there. Holy cow, these roots. Okay. Ugh. Hopefully it won't be like this the entire way. Ugh. Oh, wow. This may not be my kind of cycling. It said fairly easy. Okay. Oh, Lord. All right. Well, which way? There's no sign. Huh. I guess to the right, huh? Let's go right. May not be for a almost 65-year-old lady. Ugh. Holy cow. Okay. I can say something now. This is my first mountain bike trail ever. Do I like it? I don't like the rocks. Now, I've been on dirt trails before, don't get me wrong. I've been on gravel trails before, but not like this. So, I like it in a way. I mean, I like the nice smooth spots, but it's these rocky spots that are difficult for me, just for me. That's it. All right, I'll check in with you again. Let's keep going. Fairly easy, my butt. Maybe for 20, 30, 40-year-old. Ruh-roh. Now which way? I'll show you. We got that. And I hear people that way. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, they're coming this way. Oh, here's a sign down here. Let's see. I think I want Turkey Spring Trail 301. Oh my gosh. That's going up again in a low gear. I made it to the top. That's what I walked up. I'm kind of being a wuss because I haven't done this trail before. I don't know how much energy to save, you know, and when to give it my all. So, I'm being careful. Here we go. Ever wonder why they call it Rocky Mountains. That's what you're riding up. Here's my tire. And I'm going uphill. And those rocks are pretty sharp. So you make one bad move, you fall on the sharp edge of a rock, and you may have an issue. So, it almost looks like they've been cut, but I don't think they have. That's just the nature of the Rocky Mountains. Let's do just a little more walking. It's a nice day to walk. Oh, good heavens. I rode for about 20 pedal strokes, and then it looks like we were in a lava bank of rocks. And albeit I really don't have a true blue mountain bike, this is a hybrid. It doesn't have the suspension like a true blue mountain bike has. And Gary, thank you for selling me this bike. It's the first time I've ever put it in low gear, but I need it. Okay, we're just gonna go over these. There we go. Oh, hell. Damn it. Jeez. Here we go. Surely this is good right here. Let's hop up on this saddle and go. I'll be thrilled if I can go a quarter mile without getting off. Eighth of a mile. How about that? Hey, look at there. I like it. Aww. Oh, jeez. Let me again show you, because I think it shows up better, what I'm seeing. Here we go. I don't know if that helped, but trust me, for a old lady like me, I really don't want to ride over all of this. It's hard enough pushing my bike over the rocks, going uphill. Got a little bit of an issue. The trail again splits, there's no sign. I just got a warning about the weather, that bad weather's coming in, and my cell phone is about dead, and I'm not sure where I am. So, and I'm wondering even if I should have brought bear spray up here, because I am in part of a forest. Here's my dilemma. There or there. So I'm gonna go that way, and hopefully my battery will make it. I'm about out of water too. I didn't plan this real great. Live and learn. Live and learn. You would think just a little 4 or 5 mile trail wouldn't take that long, but because of the walking and going so slowly and stopping and contemplating which way to go, it's taking a lot more time than I thought it would. So I will get back to you in just a minute. Getting a little nervous. Hey, one more thing though. Good news. I was smart enough to drop a pin where I parked my truck. That's kind of a habit of mine when I go on new trails. So I do know that I'm going the right direction. So just wanted to let you know that. I did think of that. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, crap. You know what? This right there, where I am now, this is where I should have started. Interesting. And I've already gone over a mile. Not exactly my type of cycling. I think, or I know, I walked my bike more than riding it in that section. So hopefully this section where I thought I was starting was going to be a lot better. Well, I like the way this one is starting. Boy, that other one just had rocks everywhere. And like I say, I'm just not that type of cyclist. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, it says no e-bikes. Well, it's pretty narrow. Hopefully my pedals won't hit on the downstroke. Good, good, good. I like it so far. Oop. Hello. Oh, so far I'm loving it. Oh, this is great. I like it so far. Well, I feel a little bit better about myself because I thought I was starting at the right place and it said fairly easy. And with all those rocks, I thought this is fairly easy. I'm a wimp. But this is what they're talking about. Oh, it is narrow though. Hope I'm on the path. We'll see. Surely this is the right path. It did split off a while ago. I'm doing a little bit of a incline. I can feel it. I guess we cross. Yep, I see tire tracks. I've gone 1.8 miles. And one of the miles I shouldn't have done. The one with all the rocks. I'll be going about 2 miles more than I had intended. 1 mile out and 1 mile back with all the rocks. Holy moly. Sweet Jesus. Made it to the truck. Well, boys and girls, that was an adventure. Live to tell about it. So now I can post this video. Oh, I forgot to take my gloves off. I'm really torn about that bike route. I loved it when it was dirt. It was pretty, it was cool, you're in the shade, nice, but those stupid sharp rocks. I learned some skill. I actually learned some skills. I got better as I went. So that was good, right? And I know if I did it over and over and over again, I'd get better and better and better. But Mark can't ride it because of his e-bike. It's just not that kind of environment. We have some good routes around here. You know, we do the one down by the lake. Down by the river and downtown Pagosa Springs. And then we have a neighborhood one that goes around, I think it's Forest Lake, that we go on. I'm going to stop on my way home because I read about another one, but I don't know how long it is. And usually if it doesn't list the distance, it's really short. So I'll just have to see on that one. But anyway, I made it. I'm living to tell about it. And now you're seeing it in all its glory. For those of you who mountain bike, I'm sure you're laughing at me like crazy. LOL, right? But I've just never done it. And I don't have the right gear. And I'm making excuses, right? But I've never liked the jarring. I just don't enjoy that. I like nice, smooth pavements. I am going to drive back to our beautiful RV park and we'll just see what we're going to do next. Have a good one. Bye. When I finished, I felt like I had ridden the Texas Giant 10 times. I mean, I was just rattled, just because, you know, you have to stand up on your pedals, you know, and I got good at it because, you know, then for a while I learned to go, you know, I finally went into low gear and I thought, oh, this is so much better. And then I stood up on my pedals and I reared back, you know, and man, I looked like a mountain bike rider.